Hi guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to set up queue environment in Docker file. So in my previous video I already show you how to set up cron job in Docker file with very simple and basic way. Same way we are going to do with queue setup. So let me go to my VS Code editor and you can see that is the fresh Laravel application that we previously used. You can see that we set up the scheduler. So in this example I have set up the send email function. So you can see that there is a send email, and if I go here into the mail controller, I have just simple written the email code and send an email to my email ID. Okay, and I have created a demo mail. You can see that very simple and basic. And if I go to the resources, I have created a demo mail. So that I already covered previous video how to queue setup in local. So let's check on the local first. Okay, so now let me go here to my application and just I will run php artisan serve. Okay, hit enter, and now let me go here and go to the localhost 8000/send email. Sorry, what is the URL? Let me double check with that. So let me go to the web, send mail, just call mail and hit enter, and you can see that it is taking time because we use the send function, so that's why. But now if I go here and if I refresh, you can see that demo email. So now if I open, there is a mail from ItSolutionStuff.com. So just close this, remove this, and now let me go, and now we are going to set up the queue with Docker file. So what I'm going to do, and first set up the manually. So I'm going to controller, and just instead of send I will use queue method, just save it. Okay, and now let me go to the terminal and just cancel it. Let me make it clear, and I will just use Docker compose up with test build. Okay, and hit enter. You can see that they have created all the our images, and now let me go and I will just run docker compose execute php artisan migrate, and migration is already running because we previously I have run. And now let me go and run one command that's called queue:work, so that will listen by default. So let me go here, and now if I go here and click on send email, it will not work because we are using 8000 here. So let me do 8080 port, hit enter. You can see that quickly over there, and just wait over here. And if I go, and you can see that I have received the demo email over here, and you will see, but right now I don't know why it's not showing over here. Let me cancel it and let's try again. Okay, and let me go again and click on queue, and now let me go, and you can see that it's running, and it will be also done. You can see that it's done. So now let me go. You can see that we have received the new demo email. So this means we have set up very basic and manually over here, but we need to keep running forever, so you don't have to run manually this. So this command I have show you why, because you can understand how we are going to set up. So let me clear this, and let me just down our image. Okay, so let me just compose, and I will use down dash compose. Okay, so it is going to down all our images. So let's wait. Okay, and now let me go here and Docker Laravel default, that's not an issue. Let me go to the VS Code editor, and there is we already configured Docker compose file, and last time we scheduled the scheduler. So same way I'm going to copy this entire service and just copy that and paste it over here. Okay, and instead of scheduler I'm going to say just queue, and rest of all I will make it same. And here I'm not going to run this command, so just remove this, delete, and here I'm going to run that command is php artisan queue:work. Okay, like this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, and it will be restart always, so I'm going to just set restart always like this. Okay, and it will be depend on web, not db, because based on that, so it will work. Just save it, just let me save it, and now let me run again. Docker compose updates build, and just hit enter. Okay, and let's see, we have a build new queue image. You can see that now we have a properly over here. And now let's see the queue environment. Okay, log file, so just I need to run docker compose logs dash queue and hit enter. You can see that it is going to fail, but now let me go here. Why it is failed? Because of the table. So let me clear it, let me cancel it, and let's run first migration. Composer execute php artisan migrate, so we need to run the migrate. And you can see that now we have a table. Let me clear this, and now let me go and just use q command and hit enter, and just wait. Okay, just let me go here, and I'm going to just send, and let's see it affect or not. Yeah, you can see that it's running over here. And now let me go here, and let's see if I receive email or not. You can see that we have received email over here. Let me delete this and try again. So let me go and hit refresh, and you can see that I have running again, and I have sent, like they have done again. So you can see that now. Let me refresh it. You can see that I have a demo email. So this was very basic and simple setup of queue, and that runs in background forever. So I hope guys you understand how easy and simple way you can do with Docker environment for your local setup. If you like this video, then don't forget to share videos to your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video guys.